What's up, everybody? On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my all-time favorite sinigang recipe. I know what you're thinking. Sinigang, like everybody's done that already on YouTube. No. This is a very special sinigang. I'm talking about sinigang bulanglang. Also, it's September 1st today, so you know what that means, Philippines. The Ber Month season is upon us. Mariah Carey is starting to defrost. So what better way to celebrate the Ber Month season with some wholesome, warm sabaw, soup, sinigang, the world's most popular soup.
Yo, check this out. Do you hear that? You hear all that? This is completely unplanned, but like I was telling you, the Ber Month season is here. Celebration. Filipinos take this shit serious. Look at this. Just realized I needed to grab some ingredients at SM real quick, so we're here at Kumi. The crew wanted some sweets. It's Friday, you know, it's okay. But if you're not familiar with sinigang bayabas or sinigang bulanglang, this is my all-time favorite sinigang style, and honestly, like my all-time favorite soup. So bulanglang, just so you know, it's done differently throughout the Philippines. Northern versus like southern, I'm told is very different, but this is how my family does it. So once we get back to the crib, we'll get into how we make this sinigang bulanglang. Let's go! So anyways, hey, we're having a little bit of car issues. This is crazy. My car won't start, so I gotta get a tricycle ride for the crew. Ren's first tricycle ride. Unfortunately, we gotta go. And my car doesn't work. This sucks. Man, I'm kind of sad I can't be there with him on his first tricycle ride, but I gotta take care of the car. Alright, bye. Alright folks, I'm in the car, and I don't know if you can tell, it's really hot. Take this fucking... It's just so hot. Alright, I'm gonna give it a shot.
This is RJ from the past. You know you should have taken care of this a long time ago. This is completely your fault.
No bueno, nothing's working. I'm gonna go hop into the coffee bean over here and I'm gonna sort this out, make some calls. I have never experienced needing a tow truck. So maybe there's tow trucks here, maybe there's not. How am I gonna get my car to the service center? Or maybe the mechanic will come to me. Let's figure it out. Hey Martel, what's up, dude? Sorry, I missed your call the other day, sorry.
It's okay, Kuya. Can I have a favor, Kuya?
Yeah, of course.
Can I borrow the car on the second?
Yeah. I actually called you for another reason too, man.
What is it?
Well, first of all, the answer is yeah, you can. But I'm actually stuck here at the mall. My car won't start. Do you know any mechanics? Or
Mechanics, yeah.
tow truck? What about?
You?
I'm at SM Talabastagan. But what's better? Should I just get my car towed to Mitsubishi, or should I just get a mechanic to come to the car? What's better?
What's the problem? Is the battery or?
I can't tell. It's either the ignition or the battery, but there's power to the car, so there's electricity. So
It's better to call the Mitsubishi, Kuya. Because like, if you're gonna call a mechanic, maybe they can fix that one. Because like, it's an
Okay.
engine start, right?
so if I call Mitsubishi, will they pick my car up, or how will that work? Do you know, or do I have to get a tow truck?
Either way, Kuya. Because like, they're gonna offer you, or I think it's kind of expensive.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna call Mitsubishi, but if I get it fixed by the second, I will definitely. Of course, you can use the car, no problem.
Yeah. I'll just call you if you need help. I can go there.
Okay. I need my car to be picked up because it won't start. Is that possible? Okay. My car is at SM Telebastagan. My name is RJ. This is a Mitsubishi Expander. I'm on hold again. This is the 5th time I've been transferred. Hi, I need a tow truck. Please? Okay.
Alright, so gotta. What is street, sir? Okay, so I gotta head home. Probably gonna take like a couple hours before they can pick up the car. This sucks, man. We just bought the car last year and it's already having problems. But I'm being honest with you, I should have took care of this like last month because I noticed there was like issues starting. But you know, figure I'd ride with the wave and it was going good. But kind of sucks. I have a meeting at 3. Don't think I'm gonna make it. If you're watching, Cat, my bad for the cancel. That's my bookkeeper. Anyways, head back to the house and I'll make the city now.
All right, folks, welcome back to the Bahay. Bahay. Welcome back to the Bahay. Welcome to my dirty kitchen. Yeah, that was an ordeal. But I promised you guys sinigang bulang lang. That's what we're gonna do. So check it out. So I got some like the setup. Check that out. Okay, so sinigang bulang lang, the way our family does it, my family, we have a mixture of vegetables, kind of like up to you what you want to do. And then pork and shrimp. We use pork and shrimp. That's really how my family does it. Cool thing about sinigang, right? It's like you could just kind of do it how you want, much like adobo. It's like very personal to how your family does it. And this is how my family does it. So what we got today, I asked the crew what they wanted. For sure, they wanted some okra. I got some labanos or daikon. And then the greens that they had available. Kangkong. This is kangkong. Oh shit! I didn't even know it was kangkong. Okay, I thought it was kamote leaves. Anyways, so kangkong. You know, if you had sinigang, kangkong is like traditional to sinigang. Swamp cabbage. That's the American name. Silly, and then some sinigang packs, of course. Didn't want to go like the traditional route. Just like what tamarind or there's so many ways to sour your sinigang, right? But we just want to go easy. We got the sinigang pack and then pork. You can kind of do whatever kind of pork you want, but today I got some SNR pork spare ribs. Because, dude, have you ever had pork spare ribs in sinigang? Fucking delicious. All right, let's get started. So I'm gonna chop up the vegetables. I'm gonna throw it in the pot, and then we're gonna season everything by taste. So, oh shoot, I forgot the most important thing. Hold on. Bex, can you hand me the guava? The guava juice. This is sinigang bayabas, sinigang bulanglang. The whole reason why this is my favorite sinigang is because of this thing, Specs, right here. So, you know what the crazy thing is? We have a bayabas tree, a guava tree, like in our backyard. But unfortunately, there are no fruits. How sad is that? I have to use I have to use guava juice, which is the way we do it back in California because I don't have any guava over there. And I'm here in the Philippines where there's plenty of guava, but there's actually not guava right now. So literally how we do it in California. I'm gonna put the exact recipe in the comments or in the description, and cooking montage in 3, 2, 1, go.
You are my sun. You are my sunshine. You are my sun. Red and white. You are my sun. You are my sunshine. You are my sun. Red and white. You are my sun. You are my sunshine.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah. Don, do you watch vlog?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, this is gonna be on my vlog. Okay, Kuya RJ. Kuya RJ. Okay? That's
what is it?
this
It's,
one.
YouTube?
YouTube po.
Okay,
Yeah.
I know.
Okay.
I will follow.
All right, cool. Thank you, Don. Peace.
Cool.
All right. Salamat. 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 Tow truck's about to pull up. We're gonna grab the car and bring it to San Fernando. Let's see how much it costs. This is not gonna be too expensive. They got it up just in time because it is starting to rain. I feel like that's perfect because that's just how the day's going. It's shitty.
Okay, folks, so everything is ready to go and to put in the pot. This is how it's going to go. So I'm going to hit the pan with a little bit of oil. I'm going to saute the garlic. I'm going to saute the onions. Throw in the ribs. I'm going to brown those ribs. Then we're going to throw in the water. We're going to let those ribs boil till they're soft. I'll add the gulay last, and then the sinigang mix, and then the guava juice, salt, pepper to taste, and then you have your sinigang bulanglang. I do it in that exact order so I can get the sabaw to my liking. You see what I'm saying? I know, like, to all my Filipino viewers, this might be throwing you off, or maybe you're interested, but like, because I haven't done much research on like how many families do it. This is just how I always thought sinigang bulanglang was made, but I've had it a few times since I've moved here, and it's different. So this one's a little bit more bolder in flavor, a little sweeter. Once again, you can adjust that, but give it a shot. Give it a shot. Let me know if you like it. Drop a comment if you hate it. If you love it, just let me know. That's the cool thing about cooking and eating Filipino food, whether it's adobo, whether it's sinigang, whether it's whatever it may be. That recipe is unique to each and every household, which is why it's so fun to cook Filipino food. This video did not go as planned. I was supposed to talk about the Ber Months and all the fun facts. I had some fun facts here. I was going to incorporate them all cool. And I was going to go get some bibingka because the bibingka stands are up. And it is what it is. But, I still want to share the Ber Month facts with you. So I'm just going to read them. The Philippines holds the longest record for having one of the longest Christmas celebrations in the entire world. Jose Marie Chan, I know this guy. I found out about him last year. Is the Filipino equivalent to Mariah Carey. His song, Christmas in Our Hearts, is as iconic to the Filipino people as a song. All I Want for Christmas is to my sisters in America. I mean, this dude is everywhere. Like, he's posted. Like, this dude is an icon to the Philippines. When the Ber Months are here, and his songs are dope. We play them at the grocery store in Sassoon. Last but not least, bibingka. So last year I found out when I moved here that there's just bibingka stands everywhere. They're made fresh during the Ber Month season, and they're up. They are up. So you can buy bibingka, and you can buy, what was the other one, Bex? Puto bongbong. Oh, dude. The Ber Months are here, and I'm pretty excited. A little sad, too. This is going to be my second year without my family during Christmas, but it's okay, because my family now is Ren and Carla. I'm just smaller. Anyways, let's get into the sinigang. Let's see how it really tastes with the rice. That's like the real thing. So, sinigang bulanglang, aka sinigang bayabas. I think, they actually have a sinigang packet that is called sinigang bayabas. So, I mean, it's nothing new here. But let's give it a shot. I got some kangkong. I got some spare ribs. Get a little bit of that labanos. And with one hand here, I'm going to give you all that first bite. We're just going to go gulay and rice because I can't handle that meat right now. Here we go. Initial impressions. A little ASMR. Still got it, dude. Still got it. Wow. Sour, savory, sweet. Perfect. Perfect. I'm going to make Becca try it because she's like the official taste tester of the Kuya RJ channel. But she's never had the sinigang bulanglang this way. You were kind of weirded out, huh? Was it weird that I was putting guava juice in it? Was it weird too? Yeah. I had to make a separate like batch because I just wanted to make sure that they had something to eat. Like, what if they didn't like bulanglang, So, or my style bulanglang, which makes me think maybe like to all my Filipino viewers, if you're weirded out by this, I get it. Like maybe you think I'm butchering this classic meal, but I explained it before. This is just how my family's done it in California. Bayabas is not available to us like it is here. So I felt like it was a perfect opportunity to kind of share this. My favorite soup in the entire world. So good. I'm gonna get a little bit of the pork. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah. Oh, so tender. Flavor bomb with the puck. Becca's laughing at me. All right, guys, I'm going to end the video here. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Completely unexpected. I can't believe this day turned out the way it did. If you like my content, subscribe, tell a friend, leave a comment. Trying to get to 1,000. I'm almost there. I'm 300 away. I hit 700 this week, so I appreciate you guys for fucking with me, man. Just a small little channel. I love making videos, and you know, this shit's just hella fun to me, so I appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys next week. Peace. All right, Bex, give it a shot. You want to try too, Ren? All right, Bex first.
Parang nawala yung asim.
Gusto mo o hindi?
Mas gusto ko yung maasim.
It's there's no sourness is what you're saying, right? So it's too sweet for you.
Apo.
Yeah. Gusto mo? Do you want more? Do you want more or all done? He said all done. He doesn't like it. That's okay. That's all right.